Post keeps loading on Threads on Android? Hi there, this is Arthur, and here's how you can fix Post keeps loading on Threads on Android. To solve this issue, try out only these 3 quick processes. So let's get started. Solution 1. Fix the internet. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Additional Settings, scroll down, tap Developer Settings, scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling, scroll down, also enable Always Mobile Data On. Solution 2. Disable Battery Optimization. Sometimes aggressive battery optimization settings can interfere with the app's functionality. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Battery, tap Settings, tap Battery Saver. Please turn it off. Solution 4. Clear out the glitch. Tap and hold the threads, tap App Info, tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data. Solution 5. Check updates for threads. Open Play Store, type Threads. Now check for an update. If there is an update, then update it, and if there is no update, reinstall the app on Android. After following these processes, your problems will be solved. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.